Hi, and welcome back to our how-to series on the iC-R helmet. Today we're going to be going through connecting Apple CarPlay to your iC-R helmet. So, step one will be to open up the Apple CarPlay function on your HUD device. You should be able to enable that by going all the way over to the right side of your HUD device, and it should be one of the first options available. Once this interface is opened, you'll see a registration number appear. It should be R1 followed by a string of numbers. You should be looking for something without the suffix LE. The LE should not be included. Now, on your iPhone, make sure to go ahead and turn the Wi-Fi on. Then you're going to navigate down to your Bluetooth settings and start searching for devices. When you see that R1 followed by a string of numbers without the suffix LE, that's the one that you're going to go ahead and select. At this point, an animation on the HUD display should come up that just says connecting. And on your phone, you may receive or should receive a notification that says using CarPlay. Go ahead and confirm that notification, and the process to connect CarPlay should start. In about 10 seconds, the CarPlay interface should automatically come up on your HUD display. You can control the Apple Play interface directly through your iC-R controller. Now, to set CarPlay to automatically connect to your iC-R helmet, you're actually going to have to go into the settings on the iC-R helmet itself. To do that, you're going to navigate over to your settings, click on Mobile Link, and then Allow Background Connections. After enabling this setting, if your iC-R helmet and Apple phone are nearby each other and powered on, it will automatically open the Apple CarPlay interface for you. While using the Apple CarPlay interface, you can use the iC-R controller to directly control what's going on the screen. For example, you can long press the up or the down buttons to adjust the volume, as well as long press the OK button to activate Siri on your iPhone. While using the CarPlay interface, you can both select the car icon on the bottom right, as well as long hold the back button to return to your iC-R dashboard. To open CarPlay again, you'll just navigate over to the right side of that iC-R dashboard and reopen the CarPlay app. Finally, all of your normal apps such as music, navigation, or GPS will all be streamed directly to your iC-R helmet through the use of CarPlay. Thanks for checking out this how-to video on iC-R helmets. Make sure to check out the rest of the series to make sure that you get the rest of the tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!